Hi, this is Eric and Michelle team. I'm Eric and
Michelle.
Today we're very excited to show you this listing that we have over here in Metrotown here. It is a penthouse unit up here over at Crystal Residences. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2 parking apartment. Amazing north view of the Deer Lake and mountains. This is our video tour. Please enjoy. Here we have a Metrotown downtown penthouse unit with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 parking. It has an amazing almost 1,500 square foot of interior space, totally renovated. New carpets, new laminate flooring, new kitchen cabinets, new bathrooms, new appliances. The unit is also only 20 minutes away from downtown Vancouver. It is steps to Metrotown, Central Library, Central Park, Skytrain, bus loop, and including destinations to UBC and SFU. Spectacular views of Northern Mountain, Deer Lake, and even some on the eastern side of Fraser River. The building is situated on top of Crystal Mall, Crystal Residences, where there is a lot of retail, food court, grocery shopping, and many more. The building is very well kept with a lot of contingency reserve funds and maintained very, very well. If you have any questions, please contact us, Eric and Michelle team, and we're very happy to help you with showing the listing.